Hello. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use HelloTeams to manage all the tooling your teams use. We are going to quickly set up several connections, then create a few rules that will govern how our team membership should be reflected in the tools they use. In this example, I have a company, Capital Enterprise, that has a hierarchy 3 levels deep. In HelloTeams, your company structure can be as simple or as complex as you like. And you can use that structure to create synchronization rules that target one or lots of teams. Once you have created this team structure, the first thing you are going to do is connect to your tools. You do this by clicking here on connectors. We don't have any installed connectors currently, so we are going to browse available connectors. You will notice that our team structure is still available on the left while connecting to our tools. This is because tools can be installed at any level, and then if we want, cascade it down to the teams below. This allows us to share connections if we want, or set up targeted connections for specific teams or organizational groups. In this example, we will be connecting to our tools at the company level so that all my teams can use these connections. My teams use Slack as their communication tool and Rally as their project management tool, so I will be connecting to those two today. First, I will connect to Slack by clicking on the Slack connector. Because I want all the teams to be able to use this connection, I'm going to select the Cascade option. In this scenario, this will be the only connection I am making to Slack, so the instance name is not required. Now I simply click on Add to Slack, and I am brought to the Slack website to authorize HelloTeams to access my Slack instance. Once I click Allow, I will be directed back to HelloTeams, and the connection will be completed. And I can see that Slack has now been installed. Next, I'm going to install Rally. I go back to Browse and click on CA Technologies. Again, I want to cascade this connection, and in this scenario, we connect via API key, which I put in, and I click Submit, and now my Rally connection has been created as well. Now I can see that both Rally and Slack have been installed and are available to all my teams. So now I'm going to return to my teams and start setting up my synchronization rules. I'm going to start with the Avengers team, and I'm going to connect them to Rally, their project management tool. I only want to synchronize my team members in this scenario, so I only select team members. I would like to select all the team members regardless of role, so I'm not going to select any of the filters. I also do not care about what tags they have. And now I'm going to select the project in Rally that I want to synchronize my team members to, which is Card Avengers. Now I'm given a summary of the rule I've just created, which is sync to Card Avengers targeting team members. So I confirm that, and now that rule has been created. And whenever I add or remove a team member from this team, the project in Rally will be updated. Next, I am going to set up my Slack connection. In this case, I want both team members and stakeholders to be synchronized to my Avengers Slack channel. So I'm not going to select any of the filters. I also want all the roles, so I'm not going to select any filters or any of the tags. Now that I have my Slack channels, I'm going to find the Avengers channel, select it, and now I've created a rule that syncs everyone to Avengers in HelloTeams. I could also create more specific rules if I want to connect all my developers to a particular channel. I could do that. And so in this scenario, I do want to synchronize all the developers to the developers channel in Slack. But I don't want to do it for just the Avengers team. I would like it for all the teams in the card portfolio. So I click on Card Portfolio, I click the plus to add a connector, and I select Slack. Then I create a new rule. And because I am at a team that has child teams, I am given the Cascade option. So I select Cascade, and then I can select the different team types I would like this rule to affect, and I would like all of them, so I don't select anything. There are no team tags. I would like to select all the team member types. All I'm really concerned about is the role, so I click Next, and now I have my role filters. And in this case, I only want the developers, so I select developers. I don't care about the tags, so I'm not going to select any of these ones. And now I'm going to select the channel or channels that I want to synchronize all the developers to. And so I select developers, and I would also like them to be synchronized to the text COP. So I select those two channels and press next. Now I can see that I am going to sync to the text COP and the developers channel, cascading to all the teams, targeting everyone with the role of developer. So now, anytime a developer is added to any team in the card portfolio program, they will be synchronized to the developers and text COP channels in my Slack instance. Thank you for your time. I hope you have seen how easy it is to start managing your tooling with HelloTeams. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day.